po siya kanya 118. Hello?
Hello, what do you like, Panyawan? Panyawan?
Ano daw? Where are you from?
Do you speak Panyawan?
No, Filipino. I speak Tagalog.
Oh, I'm from Indonesia. Where are you from?
Indonesia? Okay. I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yes.
Nice meeting you.
How are you? Yes.
Oh, where
You're
are you?
pretty.
Oh, thank you so much. Where are you in Philippines?
What?
Where are you in Philippines?
Manila City. Manila.
Oh, I see. I've been to Cebu before.
You have before you come here Cebu?
I've been to Cebu. I have friends there in Cebu City.
Okay. Okay.
Pero saan ka po ngayon?
Ay, putang inahayop ka.
Sorry po, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Walang hiya, joke ka. Prank!